Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile USB Lithium Screwdriver Bundle, a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. This bundle includes a powerful cordless screwdriver, a USB Lithium 2.0 4-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery, a USB charging cable, a multi-purpose drill bit set, and a convenient 16-inch Buho Tool Bag. With its pivoting head, this screwdriver offers increased access to tight spaces, while the onboard bit storage can hold either two 1-inch bits or one 2-inch bit, making it incredibly practical. Dual LEDs ensure improved visibility in dimly lit areas, and with a speed of 200 RPM, you'll tackle tasks efficiently. The 1/4-inch collet-type drill bit set features impact-rated bits with hex shanks, perfect for impact drivers and drills, and includes a variety of 1-inch and 2-inch bits, a bit holder, and nut drivers. The Buho Tool Bag is both convenient and durable, ideal for carrying or storing all your tools. Powered by a reliable USB lithium battery, this bundle includes everything you need: the USB lithium screwdriver, battery, a 21-inch USB cable, drill bits, and a tool bag, making it the ultimate toolkit for all your projects. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.